If you're seeing Discord error code 1001, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 proven fixes that can help get Discord working again. This error usually shows up when Discord runs into a cache problem, an account connection issue, or an IP-related restriction. The good news is, you can often fix it yourself in just a few minutes without needing any advanced tools. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Now, let's get into the first method. The first thing you should try is clearing Discord's cache. This is one of the most effective fixes because old or corrupted local files can cause weird app errors like this one. On Windows, fully close Discord first. Make sure it is not just minimized. Check your system tray and exit it completely. On Mac, close it from the menu bar as well. Once Discord is fully shut down, press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. Type %appdata% and press Enter. Inside that folder, look for the Discord folder and delete it. Then go back to the Run dialog again, type %localappdata% and delete the Discord folder there too. After that, restart Discord and log back in. In many cases, this alone is enough to clear the error. If the problem is still there, move on to the second method, which is fixing account linking issues. Discord error code 1001 can appear when an external account connection fails to handshake properly. A great way to fix this is to log in through the Discord web app first. Once you're in, go to User Settings, then Connections. Find the account that's causing trouble and disconnect it. If you're linking something like Spotify, Twitch, or another external service, make sure that app is not open in the background while you try again. Background apps can sometimes interfere with the connection process and cause the link to fail. After disconnecting it, try reconnecting through your browser instead of the desktop app. This often gives you a cleaner and more stable connection. Now let's go to the third method, which deals with IP rate limits and network restrictions. Sometimes Discord can temporarily block or limit requests from your current IP address, especially if you've been reconnecting a lot or if your network has triggered a security check. To refresh your IP address, restart your home router. Simply unplug it, wait about 30 seconds, and plug it back in. If your internet provider assigns a dynamic IP, this may give you a fresh one. You should also temporarily turn off any VPN or proxy service you're using, because those can sometimes trigger Discord security issues. Then to clean up network cache, open Command Prompt as administrator and type ipconfig/flushdns, then press Enter. This clears your DNS cache and can help reset the connection between your device and Discord. After trying these 3 methods, reopen Discord and test whether the error is gone. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve Discord error code 1001 and get everything working normally again. If the issue still continues, it may be worth checking whether Discord itself is having a temporary outage or whether the specific connected app has its own login problem. But for most users, clearing cache, fixing the account connection, and resetting the network will do the job. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want me to cover more Discord fixes in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.